focus on your pelvic area, hip area. The entire skeletal structure of your back, the entire vertebra and skull bones and your arms, the bones inside. Going through this hip area, to the very core of your bones. The entire back is also, especially the bones, the vertebra. Revisit your hip. And now start your cleaning the way we do. You begin like this, you sit down, right? You relax, as they say, chill. All complexities and impurities are going away. You settle down with this idea, with this thought. Then gently bring in this idea, how it is going away. From where? You bring each step, you see, then you don't have to struggle. And once the smoke or the vapor starts ejecting from the backside, you accelerate this process. The way you accelerate the pedal on your scooty or on your car, you accelerate this ejection of smoke or vapor from the backside. Having accelerated that process, you'll find that cleaning is really speeded up. And in no time you'll feel lighter. That's when you bring in Master's presence. And you imagine that divine current is coming from him and is helping you complete this process of cleaning. After some practice of this cleaning, you will understand that no longer you would need to suggest yourself that, all these 5-6 steps. The moment you close your eyes, it starts happening on its own. Now you don't have to use words.